Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new Forex trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So on the monthly DXY, I still think this is possibly the end of a wave C, and if that is the end of a wave C, that means this is most likely going to end up just continuing to trend down, because that's what happens when you have the end of a crescent, no matter what time frame you are on. So we'll definitely have to keep an eye on that, see if that does follow through. Going down to the weekly is where I like to switch back to the dollar index. On the dollar index, I still think this looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I do have this here as a possible end of a crescent, but if this move down does make it a nice impulsive move up and start to take out structure, that probably will tell me that we're actually going up to make a wave C, and this is going to end up being an a B, and a C of either wave 2 or wave B. This downtrend is either a 1 or a wave A. This move up would either be an ABC of B or an ABC of 2. If this up here is the end of a wave C, then that would be a 2 and it would go back down for a 3. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we still do not have a structure break up yet, telling me that this move down right here has still not been proven to be over, and there's always still, since we haven't broken up yet, a possibility that this could just keep on drifting down. So I'm definitely keeping an eye out for a structure break to help confirm this move down is over. It has not happened yet, so for me, I'm still looking for shorts on shorter time frames. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we already made what kind of looks to me like a possible ABC crescent, which is why I thought this move up may possibly be a crescent also, and it may actually just keep on going down. Now, the way this dollar is bouncing around, it does kind of make me think that it is going to make a run for this swing right here. But like I said, since it has not taken out any major structure yet, I am still looking at this as possibly being a crescent and possibly continuing the downtrend. So we definitely need to either see a break to the high, or we need to see an impulsive move down, confirming that it is going back down. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, this move down to me looks like a trend, which is another reason why I thought this move up would be a crescent. It actually looked like it already ended a crescent with this spike, but then it started to go back up. So I'm still watching for an impulsive move down. I'm watching my Fibonacci levels. If it does turn down in a big way, especially if it takes out some structure, that's what's going to tell me that it's the end of a crescent and the continuation of the downtrend. Now, on the other hand, if it doesn't go down, if it doesn't take out structure and it just continues to drift up, making higher highs, higher lows, then it's probably going to go make a run for this swing up here, taking out that swing, proving that that move down that I was showing on the daily is complete, which it hasn't happened yet. So, like I said, I'm still looking at this as possibly being a crescent, and I'm still going to look for a sorting opportunity if it does make an impulsive move down. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.